Alright, this will be my last end of day video for this trip. My brother started sanding the glove box door in preparation for putting the veneer on it. We finally selected a color which is pretty darn close. So we're going to go with that. And we just got a real late start today because there wasn't a lot of motivation to come out. Wasn't a lot to do since we couldn't start the motor. So the extent of my accomplishment today, voila, backup lights. We can pretty much put this on the road now, huh? All right, well, till next time, later.